Example 2. We are also instructed to use the factorization method. And so if you look at what you have, you discover that 3 is on the right side of this equation. And at that point, this does not make it a quadratic equation yet. For every quadratic equation, the right-hand side must always be 0. So that means that in our question, we have to do justice to it by bringing 3 to the left-hand side. If you bring 3 to the left-hand side, that is going to give you minus. So you have this as 20x squared plus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. So at this point, you have a quadratic equation. So what is the next thing to do is that you take your sum and your product. The sum is plus 4x. And the product becomes the coefficient of x squared and the constant. So you have this as 20x squared times minus 3. That will give you minus 60x squared. Now, if you do the factorization method by breaking 60 into factors, you will end up having the two factors that we are looking for as plus 10x and minus 6x. Okay? Because plus 10x and minus 6x will end up giving us plus 4x. So you have plus 10x and minus 6x. And if you multiply them, it will end up giving you minus 60x squared. So this is what we're going to fix into the position of plus 4x in the equation. So that will give us 20x squared plus 10x minus 6x minus 3 equals 0. Again, we group. And you can see where I'm grouping. I take what is common in this bracket, and what is common there is 10x. So I have this as 2x plus 1. Okay. Here, what is common? I have minus and minus. So minus is going to come out first, and the next one that is common is what? 3. So you have minus 3, and that will give us 2x again plus 1 equal to 0. I have 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1 as a repeated factor. I will factor it out. This will be 2x plus 1. And that will give you 10x minus 3 left, which is equal to 0. Again, we apply the principle of a times b equals 0. And so 2x plus 1 will be equal to 0. So if we solve this first one, if you bring 1 to this side, it becomes minus. So you have 2x to be minus 1, and x will give you minus half. So one of the results of x is minus half. So we take the other factor, 10x minus 3 equals 0. You bring 3 to this side, becomes plus. So you have that as 10x equals 3. Divide both sides by 10. You have x to be 3 over 10. So therefore, the values of x are minus 1 over 2 or 3 over 10. If you have any questions, you are free to send them to my private chat and I will answer your questions. Thank you for listening.